In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install a mod menu in Forza Horizon 6. Check my video description for this mod menu download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select extract to. Open the extracted folder and double click on the exe and select yes option. And make sure the game is running in the background and you will get this attached message. Once you're done, go to features. You can add how much credits you want. To show you guys it's working, I'm gonna type unlimited and then select this enable option and select apply. To done this, minimize this and buy a core so that the cheat will take effect. If it doesn't take effect, then you need to go back and select apply again. As you can see, it's working. Same way it works for wheel spins. You can add how much value you want. Next, go to auto show. If you want to unlock all cars, then select this add all cars. All cars have been added. Select OK. Now minimize this and show you guys all cars added. New cars collected. All cars added to garage. All cars unlocked. Then open the mod menu. Go to database tools and you can make all cars prices free just by turning on. And you can change the car class panel. Load garage, so all cars will be listed. Choose the car you want to change the class. To show you guys it's working, I'm gonna type Porsche 911 Turbo. This is the one I'm gonna change the class. 11 Turbo 3.3. Select the car you want to change the class and click on the drop down in new class and change the class you want and select apply classes. Click on OK. Go to the car and find the car. This is the car we changed the class. As you can see, it changed to D. And now I need to show you guys. So all cars prices are free. Every cars are free. We actually enabled that option as well. And I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.